Hi guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's Thursday the 11th, I think. It's Thursday the 10th of September at 18:34 hours, 2020. I'm here with my very good friend Mitch, who's making things happen on the level. Like
She's like within an eighth now.
Oh, that's, well, all the way across? Oh, okay, that's cool. So we still gotta clean up that side, but this side's groovy. Can we?
You can do whatever the fuck you want on it.
Can we make it? I'd like it. It looks jankety.
Do we just want to go? Do we want to go straight out? Do we want to do a constant radius? Do we want to?
You can do whatever the hell you want. Just make it look pretty.
Do you have your little zip zip with you?
My little what?
Zip zip. Zip zip. Your little jigsaw.
You can't do a little fucking jigsaw.
No, we could make a little.
Oh, a template. Okay.
And then all these could kind of have a similar-ish.
Ooh, I do have the jigsaw with me.
Actually, they probably won't all have the same. At the very least, we could make this a uniform radius.
It could be a radius. It could be just not going. It looks weird going down.
Well, yeah.
Like it doesn't.
I had to take a bunch of.
I don't need like fucking filigrees with an F hole and shit, but just not down.
But you could.
We do have the technology for that, sir. Yes. So we're here working on Aftercare, and I am a horrible bastard because Tuesday night when we shot all the blog, I did not show a finished shot of this, of the whole boat butt.
You should be ashamed.
I am a horrible bastard, but here you go. It's looking lovely. It's nice.
Do you want to put it on the thing?
We can do it later, but just I got to make sure to get a shot of the finished thing when it's done.
Put it on the thing.
So Mitch is out here in the light, in the love, and the warmth, having fun, plasma cutting. I am being punished and am down under the thing with a fucking wire wheel on an angle grinder, and I'm telling you, that is the most fucking fun I've had in the past hour and a half, 2 hours. But I got a little camera going back here. I'll get you guys time lapse of that. Oh, are you really? It's not time yet. You can't rush these things. In case you're wondering, that's not light. This ain't one of them fiberglass boats.
It's a lot flatter.
It's looking good. I like it.
I gotta get up on the ladder.
So for those of you that are wondering why my swim platform has a big dent in it, this is actually not a swim platform so much as an aft docking platform. Yes, you can swim off it and whatnot if you're into that kind of thing, but the idea is that another boat, this can be tied up out somewhere nice and private and cozy, and Mitch could show up on his boat and dock the nose of his boat in this spot. There will actually be some rubber boat bumper things, and he'll be able to bring his boat right up in here and tie it off and step right over the bow onto the platform. We'll have a similar arrangement on the side of the boat to be able to come up alongside, but yeah, that's where we're at. And it is super fucking skookum, and this is easily tough enough to bounce off the end of a slip in a dock for years on end and be perfectly happy about doing that. Probably. Yeah. So here, I'll show you what's going on inside the boat. Inside, Mitch has done fucking weeks of welding in getting all these in. This is the engine compartment here. That center section is the engine bay. And it'll have a lot of system stuff in there. So the forward bulkhead is in and sexy and smooth and good. The aft engine bay bulkhead is in. And these are made out of, what, 1/8" steel? 1/8" steel. So they're tough as nails. And the idea is if anything really goes sideways in here, they'll keep the fire in there and the danger and the death and the explodey bits. We're gonna do, they're welded all the way down. They're not 100% watertight, but you'd have to get a hell of a lot of water coming in a boat in that section for it to not be able to at least slow it down a fair bit. We've got an engine shaft has to pass through, so there is a bit of a hole through there for the propeller shaft, because the propeller shaft housing is welded into the boat. We can't take that out. So when we put the actual shaft in, it has to transverse through. It's a whole fucking thing is what it is. But this is in, this is good. I have one of the fuel tanks. They're duplicate, so we can measure and make the mounts for that. That'll be out here next week, probably Tuesday. It was supposed to be here tonight, but Mouse hates me. Really is what it boils down to. Mouse hates me and can't be trusted. It's really, yeah, we're going with that. But that is Project Aftercare at this point. It's a fucking job. We're gonna be working on this all winter, and she's going in the water next year. 2021, the year of the apocalypse. If you think 2020 is bad, it's just a warm-up. The Mayans had it wrong. It was a typo. Yeah, it was actually 2021, not 2012. Now you know, here to help. But just in time for next year's apocalypse, we'll get it in the water. And Mitch is thrilled. He's excited. Ain't no fiberglass happening here. What? Do that again? What? Hey, Mitch.
Yeah.
You've got a moment affecting the z-axis. Oh, you want to ring the boat? It ain't supposed to do that. Actually, I think it is supposed to do that. That's a 1/4-inch plate here.
Are eagles back?
Yeah. Oh, hey, this is cool. We have a legit pair of American bald eagles hanging out back here. You can hear them screaming. There's a nesting pair back there. And she talks a lot. She's got opinions. They were hanging out on the power pylon. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, hang on. I gotta move so I can get a shot. But she's right there. She's right. Oh, you can't see my finger. But hang on. Let me see if I'm gonna go out in the rain and get you guys a shot. That's a really big bird. She's cool. That's the girl. And I don't know where the boy bird is. But she's hanging out up there. She's pretty epic too. They've got like easily a 6-8 foot wingspan. They're fucking huge. So yeah, they're pretty badass for America. Right now, Fat Man's watching us, and like he'll look at the tower and be like, "Oh, well, that's a RJ-17." Oh, there's the boy, Mitch. He's up high.
Yeah.
On the second wire up in the tower there. So that's the male. He's cool. Comment in with what their name should be. They're just hanging out, chilling in the rain, being cool. They like this tower. They come here a lot. They've been coming here for years. So comment in with their names. Oh, she's talking again. Yeah.
Now she'll be silent.
Now she'll shut up because I'm standing in the door. She's like, "Hi, you're watching me, asshole." I need a way longer lens for this.
I was gonna say we're a really good shotgun mic.
Yeah. They'll be hanging out. We'll get more video as we can. All right, back to work.
made it.